Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start reading part of the lesson 4 measurement. Open your science textbooks, page number 175. We have finished explanation part of the measurement. So let us see reading part. Let us start now children. Have you opened your textbooks, page number 175? Okay, start from here. In our everyday life, we measure different things such as heaviness of objects, amount of liquid in a glass, length of cloths, and time in a clock. So we will measure different things such as what heaviness of objects, amount of liquid in glass, length of cloths, and time in a clock. So measurement is nothing but finding the number that tells us about the size or amount of something. Take the pencil and underline about measurement. What is measurement? Finding the number which tells us about the size or amount of something. Heaviness of objects in kgs, amount of liquid in glass liters or milliliters, length of cloths in meters, time means hours or minutes, isn't it? So it tells about size or amount of something. Turn the page number 176. So see here measurement of length. Take a look at the conversation between Harjit and Gurpreet. See here, Harjit, our house is 25 footsteps away from here. So she counted how many footsteps will be required for to reach her home. No, Gurpreet, the house is 20 footsteps away. So, with the footsteps, they measured the distance to reach the house. Here, I measured the table with my hands. It is 15 hands long. That is, they used hand span. But when I measured it with my hand, it came out to be 14 hands long. Maybe short or long hands, depends on their height. Next, can you guess why Gurpreet and Harjit are getting different results? Yes, length is measure of how long, tall, or far apart things are. In olden days, people used to measure lengths with the help of their body parts like hand, arm, and foot. So are you seeing the pictures? This is hand span, the distance between tip of the finger, tip of the thumb, and the little finger. This is the hand span, distance between tip of the thumb and little finger. Next, foot span. So see here, tip of the thumb to the little finger. In this way, they will measure the things. Next, foot span, the distance covered by the foot. Distance covered by the foot. Stride or pace, the distance covered by taking a long step while walking or running. You will also do this one, okay? Next, cubit, the distance from the elbow to the middle finger of the hand. Distance from the elbow to the middle finger of the hand. These are the ancient measurements, okay? Length is nothing but measurement of how long an object is. See here. So hand span and foot span, cubit and stride also differ from person to person. Hence, their measurements were not accurate. That means they are not exact measurements. Hand span, foot span, cubit, and stride are therefore called as non-standard units. Underline this one. What are the non-standard units? Means hand span, foot span, cubit, and stride. Therefore, they are called non-standard units of measurement. So, there was a need to have fixed units for measuring things. So these are known as standard units for measurement. What are the standard units? Let us see now. Standard unit for measuring length is what? Meter. Meter is used to measure long lengths. Centimeter is used to measure short lengths. Kilometer is used for measuring long distances. This is all what I am doing underline. You also do. Okay. Whenever you will read this lesson, again you will note these important points. So what is used to measure long lengths? Meter units are used to measure long lengths. Dash is used to measure short lengths. Centimeter. Dash is used for measuring long distances. Kilometer. In this way they will put the questions for you. We can use rulers, measuring rods, measuring tapes for measuring lengths. So fill in the blanks with correct unit of measurement, centimeters or meters. My pencil is 11 dash long. So you are measuring short lengths of. That's why short lengths means what? Centimeters. Tablecloth is 5 dash long. So this is long lengths. So 5 meters long. Measurement of mass. See here, the balloons are very light. I can carry 5 more such balloons, she is saying. Here, I don't understand, even though the balloon and pumpkin look almost the same size. Why is pumpkin so heavy? So the pumpkin is heavier than balloon because balloon and pumpkin have different mass. Mass is the amount of material present in an object. Object. So what is in standard unit? A unit which is always the same and never changes. That's why they are accurate units. Unit, a fixed uniform quantity that is used as a standard of measurement. On the page number 178, the commonly used units for measurement of mass are gram and kilogram. Heavier objects are measured using kilogram. Underline this one. Heavier objects are measured using kilogram, while lighter objects are measured using gram. A weighing balance and weights. These are called weights. This is weighing balance. You see the figure. Use it to weigh objects. Use it to weigh objects. So see here, lighter objects are measured using grams. So heavier objects, kilograms. Mass of the table is 10 kilograms, kg. Mass of the cup is so small units, lighter objects, so grams. Understood? Next, measurement of capacity. Javed and Kusum are filling the bucket with water. They used mugs of different sizes to fill their buckets. It took 15 mugs to fill the bucket. It took 7 mugs to fill the bucket. Are you seeing the size of the mugs? Yes. Why is it that Javed and Kusum use a different number of mugs to fill the same sized bucket? The quantity of a liquid a container can hold is known as its capacity. Take a closer look at the mugs of Javed and Kusum. Both Javed and Kusum had mugs of different capacity. Hence, they both used different number of mugs to fill the bucket. Smaller mug has less capacity. The bigger mug has more capacity. So, standard unit for measuring capacity is liter. We can measure large quantity of liquid using liters, small quantity of liquid using milliliters. So this is about measurement of capacity. So let us see checkpoint 1, state true or false. Length is the measure of how long an object is. Yes, true. So that's why I said to underline. See here. Length is the measure of how long, tall, or far apart things are. Isn't it? Next. Things that look the same in size can have different mass. Yes, true. Now only we have seen about balloon and pumpkin. Common units for measurement of mass are meter and centimeters. No, false. Measurement of mass, kilograms and grams. We measure large amount of liquids using liter. True. Okay, children. Next, coming to the measurement of time. A day in David's life. See here, hey mom, I am going to play. The time right now is 4 p.m. I shall be at the yoga class by 4:30 p.m. So by saying the clock, he is asking to mother. We have been playing for very long. I have to go to my yoga class. What's the time, Tenzin? Here, David. I'm afraid I do not have a watch. Turn the page number 180. So we use watch or a clock to know the time. Time is measured using hours, minutes, and seconds. So they have given the units here. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. Learn this one. 1 hour equal how many minutes? 60 minutes. 24 hours equal to 1 day. Very simple. Okay. Next, what is the time shown in the given clock? See checkpoint 2. Challenge yourself and complete this task in 10 seconds. See the short hand is at 11. Long hand is at 12. Now, what is the time here? 11 o'clock. Isn't it? It's 11 o'clock now. time. Next, measurement of temperature. See here, children, how we will measure the temperature of our body. Measure of degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. So, degree of hotness or coldness of an object is called its temperature. Temperature can be measured using a device known as thermometer. Are you saying this is digital thermometer? When you go to the hospital, when you get the fever, so if anybody get the fever, first they will visit the hospital. Doctor takes this digital thermometer and check our temperature of the human body. So according to that, fever is at which level, they will say, isn't it? Normal temperature of the human body should be 37 degree centigrades. In foreign heats, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. F means foreign heats, C means centigrades. Okay, so see here, Celsius also we can say. Temperature can be measured on three scales: Celsius, Kelvin, and Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit. Celsius, Kelvin. So 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. So we will check in a maximum Fahrenheit only. Okay. This is about your measurement lesson, children. Hope you are clear about this. Next, we will start objective type. Go to the page number 181. Objective type questions. Tick the correct option. First bit, liter and milliliter are the standard units for the measurement of option A, time, length, capacity. None of this. Answer is C, capacity. Very good. To measure mass, we use weighing balance. A, option A answer. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Which of the following can be used to measure temperature? Thermometer. Option D answer. Fill in the blanks. In early days, people used their body parts to measure the length of the objects. Next, cubit is a dash unit of measurement of length. What is the cubit? Is a dash unit. Go to here. Cubit is distance from the elbow to the middle finger of measurement of length. Okay, non-standard unit. You need to write cubit is a non-standard unit of measurement of length. This is not a standard unit, no. Non-standard unit of measurement of length. The dash is the standard unit of mass. What is the standard unit of mass? Kilograms and grams. So what are the units for standard units for mass? See here. Standard units of mass are kilograms and grams. You can write the kg and g. Kilograms and grams is the standard unit of mass. Petrol is measured in liters only because it is liquid now. Next, 60 seconds make 1 minute. Very good. So find the odd one out. See, milk, apples, oranges. These two are fruits category. Milk is liquid. Next, Kelvin, kilogram, Celsius. Kelvin and Celsius are used, these units are used to measure the temperature. Kilogram is the odd one because it is the unit of mass. Gram